I've been asked, how do you prove fault if you've been injured in your apartment complex? There's actually three ways to prove fault if you've been injured in an apartment complex. Number one, have you put your landlord on notice that there is a defect in the apartment or in the apartment complex? For instance, we've had a young lady who was hit in the head with a ceiling fan that flew off the wall. Did she notify the landlord that there was something wrong with the ceiling fan? Yes. She notified the landlord failed to repair, and she was able to get a full recovery. We've had people who've had water leaking in their apartment, and they have notified the landlord, and then the landlord comes to repair. The person thinks they are in good shape, and then the next day, water's leaking, they slip and fall in the water because they were not expecting it to be there. So negligent repair is another way to recover and find fault with your landlord if they repaired something but they did so negligently. Finally, if there is a code violation, holes in the floor, holes in the ceiling, wires exposed, sidewalks, holes in the sidewalks, holes in the driveway, uneven pavement in the parking lot. Those are all code violations that you can recover for. We had a case with a young man who was walking in the apartment complex, stepped in a hole, broke his shoulder. He was able to get a full recovery. So, landlord, you notify the landlord, they don't repair. You notify the landlord, they repaired, but they repaired negligently. Or there's a code violation, a hole in the sidewalk. Sidewalks, driveways, walkways, all have to be kept in good repair. Those are code violations. If you are injured in that way, you can recover. There are a myriad of ways that you can recover from an apartment complex injury. We specialize in that. If you've been injured in your apartment complex, give us a call. 678-2-INJURY. 678-2-INJURY, thefosterfirmwins.com.